Hi everyone. Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
How are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. And are you all practicing and recording everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And if any doubts, please let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm sharing the screen with you all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We were doing this now. La maison.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Admit all. Just a second. Let tab codes join, then I will start. Yeah, everybody has joined now. Yes. Okay. Yeah. How do we pronounce this? Anybody remembers? Tab course.
La Salon.
Le salon. L-E is pronounced as le. Le. So it will be le salon.
Le solo.
Very good. This, who will pronounce this? Maheshwari.
La Chambre.
La chambre. La chambre.
La Chambre.
A-M is pronounced as om. So it will be chambre.
Oh. Chambre.
Very good. La chambre.
Last form.
This one. Arun Pandian, how will you pronounce this?
La Cuisine.
La cuisine. I-N-E is pronounced as een. Een. So it will be cuisine.
Cuisine.
Cuisine. Again.
La Cuisine.
Better. Cuisine. This one, who will pronounce? Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce this?
La Sala Monge.
La Sala is correct. And it should be Monje. Monje. Okay, La Sala Monje. ER is pronounced as A. So it will be Monje. Just a second. Can you pronounce it again, Bhuvneshwari?
La Sala Monge.
Monje. It has to be pronounced as Monje. ER has to be pronounced as A. La Sala Monje. Again. Can anybody pronounce? Devi, can you pronounce this? Yes, La Sala Monje.
La sala
Monje.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Sorry for the interrupt, ma'am. Please
Yes.
admit a lifeline, ma'am.
Oh, just a second. Let me see. Yeah, admit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yeah. Good afternoon, Lifeline. So now we were doing this. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Good afternoon. So how will we pronounce this?
La Karaj.
Yeah,
La
La
Garage.
Garage. La Garage. This who will pronounce? Let me see who is
Lace
not.
Collie. Lace Dolly.
Kali.
Very good. It is Lace Kali. Lace Kali. This one?
Le
Kalayasi.
Balba.
Yeah.
Lace Ball.
Le Balcon. L-E is pronounced as Le. It will be Le Balcon.
Low plafond. Low plafond.
Le Balcon. And this one?
Low terrace. Low terrace.
Very good. La Terrace. Devishri, how will you pronounce this?
La Terrace.
Very good.
La terrace.
Lata Ramesh, how will you pronounce this?
La Sol.
Yeah, La Sal.
The Barn.
The Ba. The Ba.
The Barn.
N there's a nasal sound. You don't have to pronounce it. It is the Ba. Ba. Nasal sound. La Sal the Ba.
La Sol, the barn.
Yeah, don't try to pronounce it as Ba. N is not to be pronounced fully. It has to be like a nasal sound. La Sal the Ba. And what is this? Devi, how do you pronounce this?
Late. Late Tolat.
Late toilet. 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 O-I, wherever you see O-I, it is pronounced as ue. Ue. So it will be toilet. Toilet.
Toilet.
Toilet. Sita, can you pronounce this?
Late Tuai.
Late toilet. Very good. Late toilet. Late toilet. Now try
Late
to.
Twilight.
Yes, late toilet. Keep practicing this. And this. This one. Would anyone like to try?
Le Jardin.
Le Jardin. Keep practicing the le. It should be proper le. Le Jardin. Jardin. Bhuvneshwari, how will we pronounce this?
Le
First of all, it should be le. And then what did you say? Le pla.
Plafond.
Very good. Le plafond. Le plafond. Plafond. D is not to be pronounced. So it is le plafond. How will you be pronounce this, Devi?
Le plancher.
Le plancher. Le
Plancher.
AN is to be pronounced as
Le
on.
plancher.
AN is to be pronounced as on.
Oh.
So it is le plancher. Le plancher. Tab codes, can you pronounce this?
Le plancher.
Le plancher. Le plancher. This one. Devi.
ma'am.
Yeah, how can you?
No.
Le mur. Wherever there is U, you have to pronounce it as U. Mur. Mur. Le mur. Okay?
Le mur.
Le mur. Now, how will you pronounce this? Lata Ramesh, how will you pronounce this?
La Neritiu.
Very good. It is La Nurityur, everybody. Sita, how will you pronounce this?
La Neritiu.
La Nurityur. OU is pronounced as Nu. U. U. So it will be Nurityur. Now see this. How will you pronounce this? Devi Shri,
Le
what did you say?
Peo.
No. No,
Le Pa.
anybody else? Le Pan. Very good. It has to be Le Pan. Le Pan. Le Pan. Le Pan. Le Pan. What's this? How do you pronounce this?
Le Bur. Le Bur.
Le bird. Wherever you see EU, you have to pronounce it as bird. Bird. Le bird. Like the way you pronounce bird. So you same way bird, that sounds bird. Well, the same way bird. Le bird. Le bird. Devishri, can you pronounce this?
Le Pur.
Very good. Le bird. Now, this you have to pronounce. This is milk, and it is in French. It is le lait. Le lait. Le lait.
Le Le. Le Le.
Le lait. This is the spelling. Le lait. Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce this?
Le Le.
Le lait. Keep practicing this. It has to be le lait. Le lait. How will you pronounce this? Any idea? Anybody?
Loaf.
Yes, it is luff. 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 This, yes. How will you pronounce this? Arun Pandian, how will you pronounce this?
Le. Le Pramod.
Le-
Pramod.
Yeah,
Pramod.
love, fromage. It has to be fromage. Le fromage. Okay. This one, Bhuvneshwari, how will you pronounce this?
Lasso.
Yeah, good. It has to be
Lasso.
pronounced as la soup.
Lasso.
Just a second. How will you pronounce this? Tap course.
La confritiu. Confritiu. La confritiu.
See, wherever there is ON, you have to pronounce it as O. So confiture. Like if it would be CONE. So in English you would have said cone, no? So the same way you will say confiture. Confiture.
Confritiu.
Fiture. I is pronounced as E. So it will be confiture.
Confitiu. La confitiu.
Yes. Devishri, how will you pronounce this?
La confiture.
Feature.
Feature.
Devi, how will you pronounce this?
La
confiture.
Very good.
La confiture.
Devi, how will you not Devi, just a second. Lifeline, how will you pronounce this?
La con.
La confiture. Confiture. Okay. This one.
Le.
This will be pronounced as Le Poulet.
Le.
See, you have to recognize the sounds. Like wherever there's OU, you will have to pronounce it as U. So it will be Poulet. And ET instead of ET, you will say, pronounce it as A. So Poulet, Le Poulet. Now this everybody will try. Kalairasi, how will you pronounce this?
Le. Poulet.
Yeah, Poulet is right, but it has to be Le. Le
Le.
Poulet. Le Poulet. Yes. Maheshwari, how will you pronounce it?
Le Poulet.
Very good. Tap course.
Le Poulet.
Very good. Arun Pandyan, can you try this? How to pronounce this?
La salad. Salad.
Yeah, it is salad. La salad. Very good. How will you pronounce this? Just a
yaourt.
Very good. Le yaourt. Le yaourt. Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce this?
Le yaourt.
Le yaourt. Here you will pronounce till the end, till T. Le yaourt. Again. Yes. Devi, how will you pronounce this?
Le yaourt.
Le yaourt. Ya
Yaourt.
oud.
Oud. Le yaourt.
Very good. Now this one. This one. Lata Ramesh, can you try? It has to, wherever there's OI, you have to pronounce it as ue. Ue. So it will be poisson. Pue. Pue, and here there are double S. So it has to be, the S sound has to come. So it will be poisson. 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 Sita, can you pronounce this? Poisson. Again. See, this is le, and this is poisson. 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 Practice this word. It's very, all of you are making a little mistake in this. Okay. It has to be poisson. Poisson. Now this. This one. The AN is pronounced as on. Oh. If so, it will be beyond. You will pronounce till D. La beyond. Devishri, can you pronounce this? La beyond. La beyond. Good. Neshwari, can you pronounce this? La. Bhuvneshwari, I couldn't hear you. What did you say? Yeah, good. La beyond. Yes. And this one, how will you see? Wherever in E, the accent is on the right hand side. So it will be pronounced as A. So it will be legume. 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 Like the way you pronounce the alphabet A. Like the way you pronounce the alphabet A. The same way you will pronounce it. Legume. Legume. Sita, can you pronounce this?
Legume.
Yeah. Just try that you pronounce it as legume. Legume. Like the alphabet A. Legume. This one, Devishri. Le fruit. Le fruit. Very, very good. Now pronounce this. Now try yourself. Kalairasi, how do we pronounce this? Yes. See, EN is pronounced as on. 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 So it will be and OI, I told you it is pronounced as UA. So it will be on drua. On drua. Lays on drua. Okay, it will be difficult for you. So you just pronounce lay and odrua. Odrua. Linking of words I will tell you later. So first pronounce lay and then pronounce odrua. 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 Maheshwari, how will you pronounce lay on drua?
Lay on Drua.
On drua. D sound is not should not come. It should be on drua. Dra. On drua.
On Drua.
Yes, good. On drua. Lay on drua. Tab codes. How will you pronounce this? Lay on drua. Very good. But it should be pronounced as lays on drua because this is the linking of, you have to link the words. This ondrua is starting from E. So it has to be lays ondrua. But for now, you can even say lay ondrua because you are just learning. Lay ondrua. Just a second. How will you pronounce le musée? Le musée. Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce le musée?
Le music.
Le musée. Muse A. Le musée. Try and pronounce this. Le musée, anybody?
Le musée.
Very good.
Le
Le musée.
musée.
So we pronounce till here. The accent is this side, so that's why we are pronouncing it as A. Le musée. Okay. Just a second, you will find it difficult. How will you pronounce this, Arun Pandian? To pronounce La Bibliothèque. Now try to pronounce.
Bibliothèque.
La Bibliothèque.
Bibliothèque.
Again.
La bibliothèque.
One person, please.
La bibliothèque.
Very good. La bibliothèque. La bibliothèque. Now I will show you this word. How will you pronounce this? Tap course. Yeah, very good. Very good. L'école. L'école. This one. How will you pronounce this? Anybody?
Le bureau.
Very good. Very good. Now you people have started understanding the sounds. Le bureau. This one. Devishri.
L'église.
Yes, very good. L'église. 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 Because there is one S, so you will be pronouncing it as Z. Z. So it will be l'église. Can you pronounce l'église? Everybody?
L'église.
L'église. L'église.
Yes, good. L'église. How do you pronounce this?
Le tableau.
No, it's not
Le tableau.
plu. It is pl. Like the way you say le. The same way you will say le here. So it will be le temple. Temple.
Le temple.
Very good. Le temple. Kalai Rasi, can you say this?
Le temple.
Le temple.
Le temple.
EM is pronounced as om. Om. It will be om. So it will be le temple. Le temple.
Le temple.
Yes. Le temple. This one.
Le parc.
Yes.
Le parc.
Yes, good. This one. Just a second. Lifeline, how do you pronounce this?
Le restaurant. Le restaurant.
Le,
Le.
re, le restaurant. Le
Le
restaurant.
restaurant. Le restaurant.
Le restaurant. Oh,
Le restaurant.
yes. Le restaurant. Keep practicing this word. Le restaurant. Le restaurant. Le restaurant. You'll get.
Le restaurant.
Le resto, yes, wrong. This one. Tap codes, how will you pronounce this? Anybody?
The kitchen.
What is this?
This is Lotel.
Local.
H is Lotel.
Local.
Hotel.
Lotel. See, H is not to be pronounced as it is silent in French. So it is Lotel. Lotel. H is not to be pronounced. So it is Lotel. Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce Lotel?
Local.
Very good. This who will pronounce? Anybody?
Le marché.
Le Mos.
No, first one was right. Le Marché. Le, Le Marché. Le Marché.
Le marché.
This first I will teach you without this. La boulangerie. La boulangerie. Okay.
La boulangerie.
Yes. La boulangerie. La boulangerie. Now I will show you the written part. La boulangerie. See. OU sound, you know, it is boo. Oo. OU sound, you know, it is oo. So it is boo.
Oh.
Boulon. AN is on. So it is boulangerie. 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 La boulangerie. Now let me see who can pronounce.
La
Kalaidasi can.
boulangerie.
Yeah, very good. Tab codes, can you pronounce this?
La boulangerie.
Very good. Maheshwari,
La Boulangerie.
very good. How will you pronounce this?
La plant.
La
plant.
lazy.
La
La lazy.
I'm getting very different answers. One answer, one person.
La lazy.
La plage.
Yeah,
Plage.
it's plage. La plage. La plage. Very good. This one.
Le cinema.
Le cinema. Le cinema. I is to be pronounced as E. So it has alphabet E. So it has to be pronounced as Le cinema. Le cinema.
Le cinema.
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 E. Le cinema. Anybody? Bhuvneshwari, can you say this? Le cinema.
Le cinema.
Very good. Always remember, wherever there is I, you have to pronounce it as E. E. So it will be cinema. This one.
L'hôpital.
Now, very good. It has to be this little mistake. L'hôpital. H is silent, so you
L'hôpital.
didn't pronounce it as good. It has to be l'hôpital. O, so it has to be pronounced as lo. Tal. Lopital. Lopital. Devi, can you pronounce this?
Lopital.
Good. Lopital.
Lopita.
Good.
Lopita.
Now,
Lopita.
very good. Now we will be doing after 4 minutes, time will be up. So let's do the number. Yeah. So who will count? Devi, can you count from 40 to 50?
20 to 50.
40 to 50. Here it's written.
Karun.
Yes.
Karun and a. Karun and the. Karan and rice.
No, Karont.
and
Karont
Katri.
A. Okay,
Karont,
41 is Karont A. 42 is just Karont
Karante
the. It is not Karont
Karanto.
the. Okay. Okay, you said Karont A.
Okay.
42 will be pronounced by
Karante
some.
a.
Yes.
Karante.
Ah.
Karant Katru. Karantua. Karant Katru.
Katra.
Karant Sang.
Yes.
Karant Sang.
Yes.
Karant V.
Yes.
Karant V. Karant Net.
Sankont. Yeah, see. See, Karont A. You should say Karont A. Then it is not Karont A the, it is just Karont the. Okay, and then Karont Tua. And when all of you, most of you have the habit of saying Katru. It's not Katru, it's Katru. 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 Okay, and Karont Sang. IN is wherever there's IN, it is Karont Sang. It is like the way you say aunt. So it is sang. Karont sang. Karont sees, Karont set, Karont weed, Karont nuff. And 50, from 50 to 60, I want Kalairasi to pronounce.
Zankon.
Yes. Sankont. Yes.
Zankon.
Yes. 50 is Sankon. 51.
Zankon. Zankoton. Zankontuol. Zank.
Yes, now you pronounce.
Zankontraya. Zankonto. Zankontua. Zankonkatu. Zankontzam. Zankontzi. Zankontzek. Zankontvi. Zankontne. Suvezat.
Yeah, I will just tell you. See, this is Sankont, Sankontea. Then 52 is not Sankon do. It is Sankon the. Like the way you pronounce THE in English.
Okay.
So it is Sankon the. Sankon tua. Tua. 53. Tua. And 54, I don't remember how you pronounced. How did you pronounce it as?
Zankon